Nearly 30 years has passed since I had to have knee surgery. My doctors wanted to give me a knee replacement. I refused to allow it to happen. I decided to rebuild my knees by taking minerals. The minerals has a profound effect on my body. I was no longer in danger of having a knee placement. My body repaired itself with the help of mineral supplements. Well, there is a new and improved supplement. Introducing Gen 3 by Jifu. Unleash the power of 8 superfruits. Vitamin C, zinc, vitamin B6, B12. Over 12,000 millimeters of collagen and elastin, niacin, biotin, and much more for a healthier heart and body. Are you ready to elevate your health and well-being to new heights? Look no further. Gen 3 by Jifu is not just a product, it's a game changer. Carefully crafted to fuel your body with essential nutrients, minerals, and vitamins for a life full of vitality. Harness the power of 8 superfruits. Gen 3 is a unique concoction of nature's goodness, from the antioxidant-rich blueberries to the heart-healthy pomegranate, grapeseed extract, bilberry, cherry powder, acerola fruit powder, rose hip extract, acai berry extract, and Bulgarian rose flower, and each ingredient is carefully selected to provide you with a powerful boost of nutrition. We believe in the power of holistic health. Gen 3 is packed with essential vitamins like vitamin C, B6, B12, and biotin, each playing a vital role in supporting your immune system, promoting energy, and enhancing overall well-being. Experience a new level of vitality as your body absorbs these nutrients, revitalizing you from the inside out. Collagen for radiant skin and strong joints. Unlock the secret to youthful skin and joint strength with Gen 3. Our formula includes collagen, a crucial protein that supports skin elasticity and joint function. Feel the difference as you embrace a healthier, more active lifestyle. Niacin fuel for a healthy heart. Your heart deserves the best, and Gen 3 delivers. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, supports cardiovascular health by promoting healthy cholesterol levels. Take a proactive approach to heart care and let Gen 3 be your ally in maintaining a strong and resilient heart. Jifu is committed to excellence, and Gen 3 is a testament to that commitment. We source only the finest ingredients, ensuring that each bottle is packed with the purest form of nutrition to support your health goals. Say goodbye to complicated health regimens. Gen 3 is designed to seamlessly fit into your daily routine, just one serving a day, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Our formula is not just a collection of ingredients. It's scientifically crafted to address your health needs. Feel confident knowing that Gen 3 is formulated based on the latest nutritional research to provide optimal benefits for your heart and body. Transform your health today. Don't just live, thrive. Elevate your health, boost your energy, and embrace a life full of vitality. To order Gen 3, go to carlmdouglas.com.